Welcome back, H3 crew. Today, we're reimagining our solar system not by distance from the sun, but by size, from the biggest planet to the smallest. Get ready for a cosmic reshuffle that will change how you see our planetary family, using everyday objects to bring these vast differences down to Earth. As we journey through the vast expanse of our solar system, prepare to encounter some truly colossal celestial bodies. We're about to embark on a planetary tour, starting with the undisputed king of them all. Let's start with Jupiter, the solar system's heavyweight champion. A giant among giants, Jupiter's sheer size and mass dwarf everything else in its vicinity. It's a planet of extremes, a swirling vortex of gases and energy that dominates the solar system's dynamics. To give you a sense of its scale, imagine this. If Jupiter were a basketball, every other planet would look tiny beside it. They'd be like marbles scattered around a basketball court, completely overshadowed by Jupiter's immense presence. The gas giant truly earns its title as the solar system's behemoth. It's more massive than all the other planets combined, a testament to its gravitational power and the sheer amount of matter it contains. It's a celestial body that commands respect, its influence felt throughout the solar system. And if that wasn't impressive enough, consider this. Jupiter is home to a storm, the Great Red Spot, big enough to swallow Earth. This swirling vortex of atmospheric gases has been raging for centuries, a constant reminder of the immense power and dynamic nature of Jupiter's atmosphere. It's a storm that puts our terrestrial weather patterns to shame. Jupiter's gravity shapes the orbits of comets and asteroids, acting as a cosmic shepherd, guiding these celestial wanderers through the solar system. Its immense gravitational pull influences the trajectories of countless objects, shaping the very architecture of our planetary neighborhood, acting as our solar system's bouncer, deflecting potentially hazardous space rocks away from the inner planets, protecting Earth and its neighbors from cosmic impacts. It's a role that highlights Jupiter's importance in maintaining the stability of our solar system. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that fuel the sun, Jupiter shares a compositional kinship with our star. Its swirling clouds and vibrant colors are a testament to the complex chemical processes occurring within its atmosphere. Jupiter is a failed star that never ignited. Lacking the mass necessary to trigger nuclear fusion in its core, it remains a gas giant, a tantalizing glimpse of what could have been. Its dozens of moons and powerful magnetic field create a complex and dynamic environment, a miniature solar system orbiting the gas giant. These moons, each with its own unique characteristics, offer a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of celestial bodies. Make it a system unto itself. A complex web of gravitational interactions and magnetic forces, Jupiter and its moons form a captivating microcosm of the larger solar system. Remember this basketball. Every planet that follows will be compared to it. It's our benchmark, our yardstick for measuring the relative sizes of the other celestial bodies we'll encounter on our journey. Next up, the only planet that comes close in size, a ringed beauty that graces the solar system with its presence, but still falls short. While impressive in its own right, Saturn simply cannot match the sheer scale and mass of Jupiter. Let's meet Saturn, a planet renowned for its stunning rings and captivating beauty. Saturn, a celestial wonder that has captivated stargazers for centuries. The solar system's showstopper, a true spectacle of cosmic artistry. Its rings, a dazzling display of icy particles, make it instantly recognizable and utterly mesmerizing. Comes next in our planetary tour, a majestic gas giant adorned with its signature rings. If Jupiter, the king of the planets, is a basketball, a large and imposing presence, then Saturn, with its elegant rings, is a volleyball, still substantial, but with a lighter touch. Impressive in its own right, but clearly smaller when placed in comparison to its larger sibling, Jupiter. Saturn holds its own with its unique beauty, its iconic rings, a breathtaking panorama of countless particles made of ice and rock, each orbiting the planet in a cosmic ballet. These rings, so vast in their circumference, would be thinner than a sheet of paper if we could somehow shrink them down to a manageable scale. An incredible feat of cosmic engineering. Saturn is so light, so incredibly low in density that it would float in water, an astonishing fact that defies our everyday experience. Just imagine a volleyball representing Saturn, bobbing gently in a cosmic bathtub, a testament to its unique composition. Despite being significantly less dense than Earth, a characteristic that sets it apart from the inner rocky planets, Saturn's sheer volume is so immense that you could fit over 760 Earths comfortably inside its swirling atmosphere. And if that wasn't enough, its North Pole is home to a bizarre and persistent hexagon-shaped storm, a swirling vortex of atmospheric gases. This enigmatic hexagon remains a mystery that scientists are still diligently working to unravel, poring over data and images from spacecraft like Cassini. So now, as we continue our journey through the solar system and build our planetary lineup, we have a basketball to represent the colossal size and mass of Jupiter, and a volleyball to capture the slightly smaller, yet equally captivating presence of Saturn. The gas giants are now in place, dominating the outer solar system with their immense size and swirling atmospheres. But the next step down in size is dramatic, a significant leap from the giants to the next tier of planets. Let's see who's next in line. Which planet will join our growing lineup and continue our exploration of the solar system's diverse wonders? Enter Uranus, the first ice giant. Imagine it as a soccer ball beside our volleyball and basketball. Uranus is about 4 times wider than Earth, but much smaller than Saturn. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere. Uranus spins on its side, likely knocked over by a massive ancient collision. This tilt causes extreme seasons. 42 years of sunlight, then 42 years of darkness at each pole. Our lineup grows: basketball, Jupiter; volleyball, Saturn; soccer ball, Uranus. Each planet is unique and the scale difference is striking, but Uranus has a near twin. Let's meet Neptune. Drifting far, far away from the sun, we arrive at Neptune, a world of mesmerizing blue. Often referred to as Uranus's twin, these two ice giants share many similarities, yet possess their own unique characteristics. They both reside in the outer reaches of our solar system, where sunlight is a mere whisper. Neptune, in our scaled-down solar system model, is also represented by a soccer ball in our lineup, a testament to its considerable size, though dwarfed by the gas giants we've already encountered. But don't let the similar size fool you. Neptune is just a bit denser and heavier than its twin, Uranus. This difference in density contributes to some of the distinct features we observe on Neptune. Gazing upon Neptune, its deep blue color is even more vivid than Uranus, a captivating hue that hints at the complex atmospheric processes at play. It's a world that beckons us to explore its mysteries. This striking blue is primarily attributed to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. However, there are also unknown atmospheric components that contribute to its unique coloration, adding to the enigma of this distant world. Scientists are still working to unravel the secrets hidden within Neptune's atmosphere. But Neptune is more than just a pretty face. It's a dynamic and turbulent world. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system, a realm of extreme weather phenomena. Imagine storms raging across the planet, with winds reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. These supersonic winds whip around Neptune, creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle of planetary weather. One of the most famous features observed on Neptune was the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system that rivaled the size of Earth itself. This colossal storm was first spotted by the Voyager 2 spacecraft during its flyby in 1989, providing us with our first close-up glimpse of this distant world. Although the Great Dark Spot has since disappeared, it remains a testament to the dynamic nature of Neptune's atmosphere. Situated at the very edge of our solar system, Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, a lonely sentinel in the outer darkness. Due to its immense distance from the Sun, Neptune takes a staggering 164 years to complete just one orbit around our star. A single Neptunian year is longer than most human lifetimes. Considering the vastness of its orbit, it's remarkable to think that since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has only completed one full orbit around the Sun. It's a cosmic timescale that puts our own lives into perspective. So, let's recap our giant lineup, representing the gas and ice giants of our solar system. We have the basketball standing in for the colossal Jupiter, the king of the planets. Next, the volleyball represents Saturn, with its magnificent rings and slightly smaller size. And finally, we have two soccer balls representing Uranus and Neptune, the icy giants that reside in the frigid outer reaches of our solar system. Now get ready for the biggest drop in size yet, as we transition from the gas and ice giants to a completely different type of planet. We're about to explore the rocky worlds, the terrestrial planets that are much smaller, denser, and closer to the Sun. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer difference in scale. because compared to the giants we've just seen, they're tiny. Let's see just how small our home planet Earth really is in the grand scheme of things, as we prepare to delve into the realm of the rocky worlds. Now, we come home, to Earth. If Jupiter is a basketball, Earth is a glass marble or a grape. Place that marble next to the giants. It's almost invisible. Earth is a rocky world with a solid surface and a thin atmosphere, perfect for life. We're in the Goldilocks zone where liquid water can exist. That tiny marble is the only known home to life in the universe. Our planet's size and position are a perfect combination for life. Small in the lineup, but immeasurably precious. Earth is a living oasis in the vastness of space. Next, meet our nearly identical neighbor, Venus. Venus is Earth's twin in size, a marble or cherry tomato next to our grape. But beneath its clouds, Venus is a hellish world. Its thick, toxic atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet. Surface temperatures melt lead, and the pressure would crush a submarine. It rains sulfuric acid, and any lander is destroyed within hours. Venus is a cautionary tale of what happens when a greenhouse effect runs wild. Studying Venus helps us understand our own climate. Two marbles, Earth and Venus, so similar in size, so different in fate. Next, the red planet, Mars. Mars is next, a blueberry beside our grape and cherry tomato. It's half Earth's diameter and just over 1/10 of its mass. Mars is a dusty, rocky desert with giant volcanoes and canyons. Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano, and Valles Marineris dwarfs the Grand Canyon. Mars has polar ice caps, seasons, and a day similar to ours. Evidence shows Mars once had liquid water, maybe even life. That's why we send rovers to search for ancient signs of life. Our blueberry is a world of grand features and big questions. Now the smallest planet, Mercury. Mercury, the smallest planet, is a peppercorn next to our blueberry. Nearly 25,000 Mercuries could fit inside Jupiter. Mercury is closest to the Sun with wild temperature swings, scorching days, freezing nights. Its surface is cratered and ancient, a record of solar system history. Mercury's iron core makes up most of its mass, like a metal ball bearing. It may have lost much of its outer layers in a giant impact. Our peppercorn is a survivor, small, tough, and battered. And with that, our planetary lineup by size is complete. From basketball to peppercorn, the scale is staggering. There you have it, our solar system lined up by size. Seeing Jupiter's basketball next to Earth's marble and Mercury's peppercorn puts everything in perspective. The gas giants dominate, while the rocky worlds are delicate and rare. Each planet tells a unique story of chaos, evolution, and diversity. Science is about changing your perspective, and today, we've done just that. Which planet surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, and remember, science rules.